In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add captions in a different language using CapCut. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up CapCut. We're going to import our video. Remember that in this case, we want to use it in a different language. So for example, this video was filmed in Spanish, but I'm trying to add captions in English. So the first thing we're going to do is simply tap on captions right here at the bottom, and then we're going to select the spoken language. You can simply put auto detect. Now here what you're going to do is you're going to tap on advanced options. Remember that you do need to use Canva Pro in order to be able to have access for this feature. And what you're going to do is you're going to select translate language. So in this case, I want it to be in English. I'm going to select that right here. And then you can simply select which type of font you want to use. Okay. And then we're going to tap on generate. Remember that you do need to have CapCut Pro in order to have access to this feature. So I'm going to go ahead and leave the link to CapCut Pro down below so you guys can check it out. And that is it, you guys. As you can see, the video is in Spanish, but all the captions are translated immediately to English. I hope this helped, and don't remember to subscribe down below. Bye.